welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make garlic paste. OMG, since day one I knew this has to be this had to be the first recipe I ever made for you guys, because I use it every day and it just brightens everything you put on it, like veggies, meat. It's the base for my sauces. Like if you put a little bit in whack, it's really good. It is not, you don't taste like raw garlic, right? It's really tasty and I think you're gonna love it. So let's do it. Ever, or what, right? So if you guys make it and try it with different things, please leave me a comment here to see what you guys are doing with it. If you like the recipe, just give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. I cook all my food on Instagram when I'm home. If I'm out, I'll just post a picture, but I cook and feed my macros in there. So if you would like to do that with me, follow me on Instagram at Patty's New Day. Thank you.